Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft Word Guided project. I'm Sen Muttayar, a certified Microsoft Office specialist and a mechanical engineer. I'm a continuing education instructor for the Providence Public Library, teaching digital literacy skills, Microsoft Office specialization, and data analytics. And I'm delighted to partner with Skills for Rhode Island's Future to bring this instruction to you. I will facilitate this guided project by using a lean business plan template as the foundation for this course. And I'll walk you step by step through the basic functionalities of Microsoft Word. You will need a Microsoft 365 account to take this course. Let's start by explaining what a lean business plan is and why we are using it as our template for this course. The Small Business Administration defines a business plan as the foundation of your business and a way to think through the key elements of your corporation. A business plan is a roadmap for how to structure, run, and grow your new business. Corporations typically choose one of two common format of business plan, traditional or lean startup. Traditional business plans are more common and they go into a lot more details for each section, whereas lean business startup plan focus more on summarizing the key elements of your plan and are great for business owners that are just starting out. For the purpose of this guided project, we will be using Lean Business Plan template provided by the Small Business Administration to help you learn the basic functionalities of Microsoft Word. By the end of this project, you will have a strong understanding of how to use Microsoft Word for basic document needs and be able to apply those skills to develop Lean Business Plan. Whether you are a job seeker or an intern, the skills that you will learn in this guided project will help you to be successful in the workforce. Let's get started.